We make it possible for you to be great at public speaking or to reduce your accent in one day. Our one-day workshops are designed to address the most important areas of your communication goals. We invite 10 participants to keep the group small, have several breakout sessions, and personalized hands-on coaching from me. The workshops are fun, everyone is nice, and it's a very safe and comfortable environment to work on these personal skills. Regardless if you would like to join us live on site in Denver or join us virtually, you will have an excellent experience, have a good time, and leave with a plan to master your goals. I'm Liz Peterson. I have been a speech-language pathologist for over 20 years, and I am clinically trained and have researched speech, voice, and communication and how it relates to a business setting. Group learning adds an additional unique benefit. You'll gain insights not just from me, but from the diverse perspectives of your peers. Sharing experiences and practicing together builds a supportive environment where you can learn, get real-time feedback, and see immediate improvements. In just one day, you'll leave with practical tools, increased confidence, and the ability to communicate more effectively, regardless if it's in a meeting or delivering an important business presentation. Check out the course description, learning objectives, and see our Google reviews where past participants have taken the time to write about their experience. Please enjoy the website and feel free to contact me to discuss your goals. I look forward to meeting you.